Oh, whoa, shit, oh shit. Oh shit. It's going down, man. Cut up some more of this little shad right here. That big old bait rigged up. See if we can get her on. Let's see what's up. Let that boy sit right there. Ooh, come on. Oh, whoa, shit, oh shit. Oh shit. Oh man. Good takedown. Come on. Stay there, baby. Stay there, baby boy. Oh man, that boy pulling. Oh. Oh man. Come on. Oh my goodness gracious. Let me tighten this drag a little bit. Come up here. Don't be scared. I don't bite. Oh yeah. He's a Tonka. He's a Tonka truck. It's insane, bro. Let's try to get him on the hook. There we go. There we go. Woo! That's how you do it, baby.